I'm getting ready to introduce you to one of the most powerful softwares out there, guys. This software will allow you to extract tons of emails. So
you will get this software for free.
Gonna just get right into it. Okay, so right here I put in my keywords. So let's say I want to put in Amazon, right? And then I want to go here and I want to put in Best Buy, right? And then Walmart. And I'll use those three, right? And then the email providers I want to use is a hotmail.com, right? And so after that, what this is going to allow me to do, click start. What this is going to allow me to do is extract emails from anyone online who's ever put in Amazon.com, Best Buy, Walmart. So this will allow me to be able to market to these people